Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Cogimyun. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw two bumps going out like this. And then another smaller bump down on both sides. Now underneath, let's draw a heart shape. Then let's draw 3 more going down on both sides. Now inside the hearts, let's draw a curve all the way down the center. Now to finish off the head, let's draw a bump down and in, underneath on both sides, and one more going in, leaving a gap in the center here. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's add the buns by drawing a curve out and in next to the top heart. Now let's add another smaller bump underneath. And one more larger one to close off each side. Now let's hop back to the center and let's draw the body at the bottom. Let's leave a small gap and let's draw 2 curves down and in. Then let's curve it up on both sides. And then a curve across in the middle. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move in and let's draw the face. Inside the head at the bottom here, let's draw a curve across for the mouth. Now on both sides, let's draw an oval. And color them both in black. Now on the sides of the oval, let's draw a curve out and back in for the eyelashes. And that's it for the face. Now underneath, let's draw 2 angles up and back down, like this for the hands. And that's it for Cogimyun. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!